At this year's EBMT meeting, it's indeed a great pleasure for us that we received the Best Abstract Award in Basic Science for one of our projects in frame of the newly founded Car Factory Consortium. What's the Car Factory Consortium? Together with my co-speaker Michael Hudacek, we recently established the so-called Car Factory with the aim to support acceleration of all translational steps required for bringing CAR immune cell therapy to the clinic. The idea came with an initiative of the German Cancer Aid setting up this priority program to strengthen preclinical drug development at German universities. It is our common goal to create a German-wide network that brings together expertise from not only medicine, but also biology, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacology, and immunotherapy. And what we could reach so far is that we build strong synergies to optimize CAR design, along with advanced immune cell editing. Beyond lenti and retroviral transduction methods, we apply innovative CRISPR nuclease and base editing approaches, allowing a precise genetic disruption of genes responsible for immunosuppressive pathways. And our common main interest is the translation of cell and gene therapy for hematological disease, such as leukemia and multiple myeloma, as we have reported at the EBMT meeting, but we are also successful in treatment concepts against solid cancer. We truly believe that Car Factory will accelerate clinical translation of the newly advanced immunotherapeutics using CAR-engineered and CRISPR-edited immune cells such as CAR-T and NK cells. I'm very thankful for the great spirit amongst all participating colleagues of this consortium from Freiburg, Würzburg, and Leipzig, and for the important support we receive from the German Cancer Aid.